Vitaplex Corporation unveils its groundbreaking AI call factory, Virtaplex.io, promising to revolutionize customer service. Tim Kramer, your thoughts?
Vitaplex Corporation is the new kid on the tech block, and they're coming in hot with Virtaplex.io. This AI-driven call center platform is aiming to flip the customer service industry on its head. I'm telling you, folks, this could be the next big disruptor. Watch out, legacy call centers. Virtaplex.io revolutionizes call centers with NLP and predictive analytics. Imagine a rep that understands you better than your mom. No more press 1 for English. Upgrade from music on hold to cutting-edge service. Look, folks, remember how Zoom skyrocketed during the pandemic? Vitaplex could be the next Zoom if they execute flawlessly. This is a rocket ship ready for liftoff. Buckle up. Within the next 18 months, Vitaplex's stock is going to triple. Mark my words. The demand for AI solutions in customer service is exploding, and Virtaplex.io is at the forefront. Get in on their IPO, a recent stock issuance now. This is a golden ticket. Skylar, back to you.
Tim, if Virtaplex.io can make customer service as smooth as you make stock predictions, we're in for a wild ride. Folks, keep your eyes on Vitaplex. This could be the dawn of a new era. Stay tuned, and remember, the future is just one call away.